Ireland is a beautiful country with a rich history and culture that is worth exploring. From stunning landscapes to vibrant cities, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Here's a short travel guide with full details to help you plan your trip to Ireland. When to go? Ireland's peak tourist season is from June to August, when the weather is milder and daylight hours are longer. Spring and autumn can also be a good time to visit if you prefer fewer crowds. Where to go? Dublin, Ireland's capital city, is a great starting point for exploring the country. Visit the Guinness Storehouse, Trinity College, and St. Patrick's Cathedral. Galway, this charming city on the west coast is known for its lively music scene and colorful buildings. Take a walk along the Salthill Promenade and explore the Claddagh neighborhood. Killarney, located in County Kerry, Killarney is a gateway to the beautiful Ring of Kerry Scenic Drive. Don't miss the opportunity to visit Killarney National Park and Muckross House. Belfast, the capital of Northern Ireland, Belfast is a city with a fascinating history. Visit the Titanic Belfast Museum and the murals in the Falls Road and Shankill Road areas. What to do? Explore the Irish countryside, take a scenic drive along the Wild Atlantic Way, or visit the Cliffs of Moher. Experience Irish culture, attend a traditional music session or visit a castle like Bunratty or Blarney. Visit a distillery. Ireland is known for its whiskey, and there are many distilleries you can visit, such as the Jameson Distillery in Dublin or the Bushmills Distillery in Northern Ireland. Go on a pub crawl. Irish pubs are famous around the world, so make sure to sample some local beers and enjoy the lively atmosphere. What to eat? Irish breakfast, a hearty meal consisting of eggs, bacon, sausage, black and white pudding, mushrooms, and tomatoes. Fish and chips, fried fish and potatoes are a staple of Irish cuisine. Irish stew, a delicious combination of lamb or beef with vegetables, potatoes, and herbs. Soda bread, a simple bread made with baking soda instead of yeast. Getting around. Public transportation, buses and trains are available for getting around Ireland. Irish Rail and Bus Éireann are the main providers. Car rental. Renting a car is a popular option for exploring the countryside. Cycling. Cycling is also a great way to explore Ireland, with many scenic cycling routes available. Where to stay? Hotels. Ireland has a range of hotels to suit different budgets and tastes, from luxury 5-star hotels to more affordable options. Bed and breakfasts. Staying in a bed and breakfast is a great way to experience Irish hospitality and get a taste of local life. Hostels. For budget-conscious travelers, hostels are a great option. There are many hostels throughout Ireland, including in popular tourist destinations. What to pack? Weather-appropriate clothing. Ireland's weather can be unpredictable, so be sure to pack layers and waterproof clothing. Comfortable shoes. Whether you're exploring cities or hiking in the countryside, comfortable shoes are a must. Travel adapter. Ireland uses the Type G plug, so make sure to bring a travel adapter if you're coming from a country with a different plug type. Cash. While credit cards are widely accepted, it's a good idea to have some cash on hand for smaller purchases and in case of emergencies. Culture and customs. The Irish are known for their friendliness and hospitality, so don't be afraid to strike up a conversation with locals. Tipping is common in Ireland, with 10 to 15% being the norm in restaurants and for taxi rides. Irish people take their music seriously, so be prepared to hear traditional music wherever you go. Drinking is a big part of Irish culture, but be sure to drink responsibly and follow local laws and customs. Safety. Ireland is generally a safe country to visit, but like any destination, it's important to take precautions to ensure your safety. Be aware of your surroundings and avoid leaving valuables unattended. If you're hiking or exploring the countryside, be sure to follow safety guidelines and stay on marked trails. If you're driving, be sure to follow the rules of the road and take caution on narrow or winding roads. Ireland is a beautiful and welcoming country that offers a range of experiences for travelers. With this short travel guide, you'll be well on your way to planning a memorable trip to Ireland.